Hey guys, it's Aidette. I know, long time no see, but we're back at it. We are gonna be consistent this year, guys. I promise. Hold me accountable because we're running this up. Today we have a huge try on haul from Fashionnova. Shout out to you guys. You guys know I love you. I'll be having every single item that I have in this video today down below so you guys can have easy access. I have a lot of dresses, I have some lingerie, I have some jeans. I've already posted a bunch of the looks that I'm gonna show you guys today on Instagram. Follow me because my TikTok and my Instagram has literally been spammed with fire Fashionnova fits. There's a lot to go through. Don't mind my body color, guys. I know I have like some patchy spots. This is like 5-day-old self tanner. This is a really form-fitting nude romper, and I also got a very similar like one piece I'm going to show you guys. Actually, it's a two-piece. It comes with a little like bolo sweater. It's really cute. This is what this one looks like. I love wearing these types of pieces whenever I go like run errands. It's very stretchy. It's like breathable. It doesn't make me feel suffocated. I'm guilty of constantly wearing sweats and like a big sweater. Sometimes I want to go out to my errands and feel pretty. Everything about their jumpsuits and their rompers, so comfy. Like, we're gonna go a little bit out of order. I was planning on doing like one pieces, lingerie, jeans. I was too excited to show you guys this one on. This is a leopard one-piece bikini. It's stretchy, again, very breathable. It like covers you up, it snatches you up. This is great for not feeling fully exposed but still feeling like sexy at the same time. I love the way this is cut. It's like a nice pretty V, but it's still like conservative. I was talking about this dress on my TikTok and I said that I don't like purple, but if the fit is cute, like the color, even though I don't like it, will be acceptable. Example A, this is a really cute club dress, and again, very stretchy. I feel like all the items that I always end up getting are very stretchy, but this is more like a pink undertone. This is the side. If it's really good. I need to find another word for the word stretchy. Now that I'm looking at it, everything that I got is stretchy except for the jean items. Love this outfit. This is probably one of my favorites out of everything that I got. This is a mesh bodysuit. This is supposed to be like quote-unquote lingerie, but I feel like this is very wearable. It is see-through, so I'd probably recommend to wear like a black bralette under it, like a lacy one, to make it look like fancy and cute. I also have some high nude like waist shaping undies under, and I feel like it goes really good with this since it is see-through. Also, the zipper here goes all the way down, all the way to the back. This is the back, so you guys can kind of have like a little reference. That one is my favorite sexy item, but this one is my favorite cutesy slash sexy item. Oh my goodness, this immediately I saw it on the site and I was like, oh no, add it to cart. Like, this one is super soft where I could wear it to sleep, I could wear it out, like I can wear it to like a movie night. This is super cute. I'm really sad because like I pulled on this a little too hard and I created a little hole, so I'm gonna need to snatch another one up before they sell out, because everything on Fashionnova sells out super fast. So you guys do need to make sure that if you guys want to snatch these items up, you need to get it like now. It feels like you're literally wearing a blanket. This is perfect for California spring. Oh my gosh, guys, I tried this one on yesterday and my expectations definitely exceeded, because if it's good, guys, like if you guys can see, this is really good for like a night out, like if you're going to the club or whatever. This fits really good. My little nude undie showing, but this, she's really cute. This, I can't explain it, but it has like this like very breathable material in the inside rather than that like felty material that I absolutely cannot stand. This one feels very light on the skin. It's not gonna like make me feel all sweaty and gross. This is another one of those like lingerie body stockings, but I like to wear these as normal dresses, like if I'm going to the club. But of course, as long as I have these undies that cover the butt, cover the front, and then usually in the front I'll wear like a bralette, like a strapless bralette. And they're also really inexpensive. This is the one that I was talking to you guys about earlier. Like, it comes with a little sweater. These, I believe, are called like bolos. So you can either wear it like this, just the plain one piece, or you can wear it and it also has little holes for your thumbs. And this kind of makes it look like a little bit more. Which way do you guys prefer? I kind of prefer it without. Originally, I was not gonna get this dress because it said limited edition. Usually, I don't really love words like graphics on my dresses, but I mean, really cute. And plus, limited edition, you're kidding. Like, of course I am. Like, this fits crazy, guys. So pretty. I love it. I did pick up some lingerie, but unfortunately I can't show you guys what these look like, so I'm gonna insert pictures for you guys instead. So this one just has like this type of vibe here. It's just like crisscross. It's red, so I'm gonna put the picture right here. And then I got this little dress. This is also lingerie. It comes with like the little panties. It comes with cute socks. I definitely want to wear this eventually, so peep this on IG. And oh my gosh, guys, I have this three-piece here. I don't know where the heck I put my other glove, of. I lost it somewhere in the abyss. I feel like you can either wear this like right here. I kind of feel like that's where it's meant to be, but in the photo I saw her wearing it as a skirt, and also of course the black bra. And lastly, for the haul, y'all, we have the jeans left. So these don't have stretch. This one has like, you know, a little bit of stretch, but these shorts absolutely have no stretch. These were a little tight on me. I did get 2 sizes up, so I'm normally like a size 5-ish, and I got them in a size 9 because I kind of had a feeling like that they were going to be a little tight. This is a very different type of skirt. I feel like it could even be a dress. I got this in a size small. Usually, like, sometimes I'll get like my pants in a size medium. Oh, this is definitely stretchy. Oh, this is pretty. This is what it looks like from the back, and the bottom is pretty long. I would either have to wear like my big platform heels or get it like a tiny bit tailored. I always get people like super shocked when they see me in person because they're like, I thought you were like 5'6", and I'm like, the angles on Instagram, girl. Alright guys, that is it for today's haul. Thank you Fashionnova for sponsoring today's video. You guys already know that I love you. I know you guys love my try on hauls, so I'm going to continue doing those, but the makeup videos are up and coming. I know that you guys have been wanting a brow tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.